do you stay?
I don't have a home.
Alright, listen.
Go back inside and leave me the f alone.
Listen.
I don't f***ing know you.
Hey, so where is that home that you were kicked out of?
I don't have anywhere to go. Get in your car and leave me the fuck alone.
Oh, yeah, no way.
Blue lights flash across the parking lot as officers find a drunk girl pacing, shouting, and falling apart. She jumps between laughing, crying, and cursing, unable to answer even simple questions. Every second shows she's losing control fast.
Hello? You're alright? What's going on? Are you alright? We're
Listen. The most amazing thing you can do for me.
Right? Yeah. You good? What's
No
up?
hands.
Where do you
no
live?
Hands.
Where do you live?
I don't have a home right now. My brothers told me they were like, listen, you're out for tonight. I'm sorry. I apologize.
You're good. Where do you?
I'm stuck right now. I have nowhere to go home.
Do you have family down here?
No, I have nobody. So at the end of the day, nobody fucking cares about me.
Okay, well, do you live down here? Are you from here?
I'm fine. I'll find a way home.
Where's home?
I don't know. I'm trying to find it too.
So
Yeah.
my staff just felt they kicked
Yeah.
her out. Obviously,
This
but
is-
they didn't.
this is
They
the
felt
same-
bad calling you guys.
This is the
Yeah.
entire stuff that I was telling you that I was fucked up 4 hours ago.
You're alright. I'll try.
I just got here at
You're good.
1:45.
You're good.
But okay,
You're good.
I'm the owner. You know me, I'm Tiffany.
I'll try to see if I'll help her. Yeah.
Yeah, just so anyway, these
People
trash
on me. I don't
bags.
want these
Yeah.
people on me.
These,
I don't want these f***ing people on me. I don't
Yeah,
want these
I mean, I almost
people on me.
What have you been, aside from drinking tonight, have you taken anything else?
Respectfully, Nicole just speak for me.
Alright, ma'am.
Okay?
Ma'am, what's going on?
Nothing. just another f***ing drunk, intoxicated person.
I know,
you've
so
ever
where
seen.
do you stay though? Where do you stay?
I don't have a home.
What do you mean? Well, how did you get here
Really?
tonight?
My brothers told me.
Okay, where's your
my
brothers?
brothers told me they said you can't come back home.
Where's your brothers? Where's home?
Doesn't matter.
Where's home?
Nothing.
I'll drive you there. Where's home?
You won't. I don't want you. Oh, and then you're gonna go and tell them how
Alright.
I want my shit.
Okay. Alright, listen.
Go back inside and leave me the fuck alone.
Listen.
I don't f***ing know you.
Hey.
I don't know you.
Hey, listen.
Leave me the f*** alone.
Hey, listen. Alright, collect your stuff and go. Collect your stuff and go. You can get out of here.
Cool.
Alright.
Here.
Collect your stuff. There's your stuff.
I don't care.
Alright, what's your name?
Hey.
What's going on with you? I came to see what's going on.
Are you kidding me?
Alright, what's going
I
on
already
with you?
told you. I already told you how I felt. I got kicked out of my own fucking
Right,
home.
which
I
is-
have
which
nowhere
is
to go
where?
tonight.
Which is
I can't
where?
rest my head, bro.
Alright, which is where? Where do you live? Where was your home?
I don't have anywhere to go.
You got kicked out of a home. Where's your home?
Leave me alone.
Where was your home you got
I
kicked out
can't
of?
go anywhere.
Where was your home that you got kicked out of?
I can't go anywhere. I don't have a home.
Alright, you just said you got kicked out of your home tonight. So, where is that home that you were kicked out of? Okay.
Leave me the f alone.
Alright, relax. Alright?
No, bro.
Yeah.
This shit hurts me.
Alright, so we're here trying
We're
to see if we could help you.
No, you can't help me.
Okay.
No one can help me. I
Alright.
don't want you to help me.
Okay, that's fine. Well, you can't stay here. You gotta collect your stuff and move on then.
Okay, cool. Then take
Okay.
me. Well, where you
There's
take
your
me
stuff.
to the beach? Where I wanted to go?
Just
Where
walk
I
over the
wanted
bridge.
to take a nap? Just go to bed so I have somewhere to f***ing sleep tonight.
Alright.
Yeah, take me to the beach. This is exactly where I want to go.
Just-
Find somewhere so I can rest my f***ing head tonight.
So if you plan on sleeping outside,
Shut up! Shut up!
The officer tries to calm her down, but she steps forward, gets in his face, and suddenly slaps him across the cheek. The mood shifts instantly. In one quick move, she's taken to the ground as she screams and fights the cuffs.
no, I'm not gonna.
Shut up!
Ma'am,
Shut up.
I'm
Don't tell me!
don't tell you.
Don't
what.
tell me where I'm supposed to stay and where I'm not supposed to stay, because right now I don't have a home.
Okay, I can appreciate that.
Exactly.
Have you tried?
Thank you. So
Have you tried?
shut up.
Ma'am, don't put your finger in my face. Back up.
Did I put my finger in your
Yes,
fucking
you were
face?
walking up and putting your.
Yeah. You're
Yeah.
being a little aggressive.
You're being extremely aggressive. I need you to take a
Come
step
here.
back. No.
Come here,
No.
come
Back
here.
up. Just take a step back.
No.
Ma'am,
Come
back
come
up.
Here. Come here.
No.
I'm not hurting you.
Okay, so just back up a little
I'm
bit.
hurting
I don't
you.
need to be close to you.
Okay,
No.
Okay, I want to hug you.
I don't want to hug.
I need love.
Okay. That's why I'm
You
trying.
don't. No, you don't get it. You don't fucking get it. Get in your fucking car and let me the fuck alone.
Oh, wow. Yeah, no way. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
I should do that. I know
should
I
not have
did.
done that.
No, I don't.
Give me your other hand.
I know.
Give me your other hand.
I know.
That was really
That
stupid.
was extremely stupid. So now you got to take you to a homeless shelter, but now you have a felony.
No,
Congratulations.
I know. I have homeless fucking.
Oh, now you're home is jail. Good job.
I know.
10 out for one. White female detained for badly ill. Start down to the police offense. Stand up. Get the fuck up. I was being very nice to you, but you fucked it up. So now it's time to get the fuck up. Stand. Enough of your shit. This is what I get for speaking kindly to you, alright? Tried to give you a nice chance. Get up! Get up! Get up! Get up! Get up! Come on, get up! Stand up! Get up!
You guys need additional units?
Get
I
up!
know.
No, what's that
I
for?
can't be.
Subject.
I
Stand up,
can't
come
be
on!
on dispatch.
What?
I can't be on dispatch.
Stand up! You're going to the car.
No.
You can't just hit a cop and think that's fine. Get up.
No.
Get up.
No.
That's fine.
You don't understand how my heart is breaking.
Get up. At least you have a place to go tonight, right?
No, you don't. I don't have anywhere to go.
Get up, come on.
Stand up, then.
Stand up. Let's go.
Where's Susan?
Yeah.
You're being extremely overly dramatic. So you can stand up and you can walk your ass over there, or I can drag you the f into the car. But I'm done dealing with you like this. I was being very kind to you. I'm not going to tolerate this bullshit. You can't just run up and slap me and think everything's going to be cool now.
No,
So,
I know
so it's time to get the fuck up. Let's go.
No, and I know that.
All right, let's go.
Ready? Let's
Stand
go.
up. One,
Stand up.
2, 3. Get up.
Get up.
Okay, fine. Okay.
All right, mine's over there.
No, it's not fine. Yeah. The cart.
Get back in.
Get in.
Get back in there. We're not playing games with you.
Hey, don't touch me.
We are
like that.
not playing
Don't
games
touch
with
me
you.
like that. Hey,
Fine.
out of respect,
telling you right now,
I was
Sit up on.
raped.
Sit up on there.
Get in or I'm pulling you in.
Listen, the only,
Get in.
the
Get in.
only thing.
10-4.
Kicking, twisting, threatening, begging, her emotions explode all at once. At the patrol car, she spirals even harder, yelling at strangers, crying about her life, and making violent threats. The body cam captures her entire breakdown with no pause.
I was even trying to do this.
How you doing, ma'am? How you doing? Ma'am, my name is Sergeant Ernest. I'm here. I'm just doing a... Do you want to talk to me about what's going on? What happened? What's that? No, I'll talk to you through here because if that's okay. What's that? I'm not gonna
I
open
don't
it.
trust you. I don't know who you are.
You can trust me. I'm telling you right now.
I don't trust you.
I work for the sheriff's
I
office.
don't know who you are.
Would you like
Really?
to?
Really? Because the sheriff's office?
Okay.
They sent me to fucking jail.
Do you want to know why?
The
Do you want to?
sheriff's office sent me in a jail.
I'm affording you the opportunity to let me know if you want to let me know what happened. Do you want to talk to me or no?
No.
Do you want to talk to me about it or no?
You don't want to talk to me.
That's why I'm here. I'm here to talk.
Really?
Yeah, I'm here.
Really? Because I sat here and I told you I was raped. You wouldn't want to listen.
Well, I'm not here for that, but we could definitely take a report on it. But I'm here for the incidents that happened with the deputies today. Okay. Would you? Okay.
I broke you.
Did you hit one of the deputies? Ma'am? Ma'am?
Oh, no, ma'am. Get me out of these handcuffs. I'm hurt. No,
Okay.
I'm hurting so bad.
Where are you hurting?
Get me out of these cuffs. Get me out of these cuffs.
I'm gonna be 51 at 19 with this adult white female. Starting mileage is 26549. Oh, I never said you were a piece of shit, but
What do I do?
I don't know.
Get me out of here!
Making some bad decisions.
Get me out of here! I'm not a piece of shit.
I didn't say you were.
No, I'm not.
I didn't say you were. Alright, well, I think you're making yourself feel that way. You should probably stop doing the things that you're doing.
You're gonna die. You're gonna fucking die. You're gonna fucking die. When I get out of this fucking jail cell, you're fucking dead. Exactly. Look just like my best friend.
I didn't know I was supposed to say
Yeah, I'm back, baby. I'm back. That's right. I ain't going anywhere. Where do you think I'm going? You wanna kiss me while you're at it? Weirdo? Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Do not touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me, bro.
You do that again.
Don't touch me. Go ahead. Pull me against these walls. I don't care. I want to get my fucking shoes on. That's it.
Which one? Oh, the second.
Yeah, exactly. Let me get my shoes on before you fucking start patting. Wait a minute. I know that man. Thank you for helping me out.
More than welcome.
So you couldn't even do that. You couldn't even open the shoe for me.
I think it was busy because you were pulling the other way.
Yeah, I know. I'm a piece of shit. I get it.
You need to search it one time so you can be done with it.
Yeah, exactly. Go ahead. This isn't my first time. This is not my first time. Last time I was fucking arrested was February 14th. Y'all hoes suck, bro. Y'all fucking suck. Yeah, what do I have on me? What do I have on me? Nothing. Exactly. What you arrested me for? Oh my god, I got drunk one night and you wanna fucking arrest me. You're a piece of shit. Just so you get your...
Are you gonna sign it? Yes or no?
I like that, officer.
Right, go over there. You don't want to sign it?
I like when you're aggressive with me. Can I look at what's in my bag?
You should have looked at it when
When what? When what? When you didn't look at? When I didn't get to look at it? When I didn't get to look at it? You want me to look at something that I didn't get to look at? You're crazy for my bullshit, bro.
Stand over there. Stand over there.
I ain't gonna hurt you, but I'm gonna hurt you.
Over there.
Wait until I get out of this jail cell, bro. You're hot. Yeah, I said it. Because I can.
What's the last name?
Hey, come over here. Stay by the gate.
What are you gonna do?
Stay
Stay by the gate.
Don't touch me.
All right, just stay by the
Don't
gate.
touch me. Don't touch me.
Okay, just
Do
stay
not
by-
touch me.
Just stay by the gate.
Do not touch me. Don't touch me. I don't want you to touch me. I don't know you. I don't like you. Don't touch me.
Inside the jail, the meltdown continues until nothing is left but the list that defines her night. Battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting with violence, disorderly intoxication, threats to police, one slap turned into a takedown, and a stack of charges she won't escape in the morning.